may just look like an ordinary rucksack, but it's more than that to me. This is a vital part of what I do as a musician and as a singer-songwriter, and this bag goes everywhere with me. I purchased this bag in America in Walmart for $28, and it has been a lifesaver for me because I can carry so much stuff in it. Would you like to see what's inside the bag? As you can see, the bag is right behind me. So we're going over and we're going to grab the bag. Okay, we've got the bag right beside us. What's inside this big bag here? Oh, yeah. Well, let's open it up and have a look. Oh, the first thing we pull out of the bag is this. This is my tablet, which I used for reading my songs. There it is there. It's a Samsung A8. It's a very basic tablet, really. Although it is 4G. So yeah, that's how I use my Songbook Pro. It's an app that I use, and I have videos for that actually, tutorial videos of how you can use Songbook Pro. And I recommend you go check them out because they're really helpful and very useful for those who want to learn more. We've got a very untidy guitar lead and another guitar lead, and you can never go without these. This is my kettle lead, spare kettle lead for PAs and speakers, a XLR microphone leads. There you go. How on earth we get all this in here? This is my tablet holder, which connects to my microphone stand. It's called a Hercules. I'll leave all the links for all this stuff in the description. Here we have the Beatbuddy Mini, which I've just recently done a review on. You can go check that out. I've left a link here in the description of the video. That's my drummer. Also, my X5 wireless, my wireless guitar system. It's amazing what you can fit in this bag. It's a bit of fun. This item is the Zoom A1X4, or you can use the A14. The X stands for the extra pedal. So I would use that if I'm using, say, not my own PA system, not my own Marshall amp. So I can plug that in. It's battery operated as well, which is really, really good. So that gives me various guitar sounds. Really, really good pedal. Highly recommend that one by Zoom, A1X4 or A14. It's also in the bag. Also, Sennheiser microphone. This is the 81S2. I don't think these things are available anymore. It's about £60. I've got two of these actually. I have another one in there as well. All in this one bag. It's all a bit of fun really. But I'm letting you see what I have in the bag. What stays in the bag. Another spare lead, another microphone lead, another microphone. This little gadget here, this is my page turner for my tablet for Songbook Pro. Really, really good wee thing. You just press the pages back and forward. Works with Apple, works with Android tablets as well. Highly recommend. It's only a couple of quid, so it's worth getting a hold of one of those. Nope, we're nearly there. We're nearly there. The end of the bag. It may just surprise you what I have. Spare DEI box. Invaluable things to have. You never know when you need them. We're almost there of all that we have. Very important, this next thing. I've got all these different compartments in here. Batteries. Spare batteries. Batteries for my guitar. AA batteries for the pedal, the A14. So they all stay in this bag because you need everything when you're a musician like me. So that is basically what stays in my bag. It was a bit of a fun video, but I've left the links below, and really, you know, these things are just, they're just vital for me as a musician and a singer-songwriter, when I'm going about doing my bits and pieces, singing different places. And thanks to Walmart, I got this cool bag. $28, well worth it, so it was.